What defines a just society? Throughout history, this question has not only captivated the minds of philosophers, but also served as the bedrock for civilizations striving towards fairness and equity. Dive into the annals of philosophical thought, and you will find that the theory of justice has been a central pillar around which societies have been built. From the ancient dialogues in the lush gardens of Athens to the rigorous debates in modern academic halls, the concept of justice has evolved, yet its core inquiries remain startlingly relevant. Ancient philosophy sheds the first light on this enduring quest. Plato, in his seminal work, Republic, envisions a society where justice mirrors the harmony of a well-ordered soul, suggesting that true justice in a state occurs when each individual performs their designated role without overstepping into another's duties. Aristotle takes a slightly different tack in his Nicomachean Ethics, where he introduces the idea of distributive justice, positing that justice means providing equal treatment to equals and unequal treatment to unequals, based on their merit and contribution to society. Fast forward to the Enlightenment, and the theory of justice takes on a new guise under the pens of social contract theorists like Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. They propose that a just society stems from a hypothetical contract where individuals collectively agree upon the rules governing them, ensuring mutual protection and welfare. However, the most profound modern development in the theory of justice emerged from the 20th century philosopher John Rawls. His groundbreaking ideas, encapsulated in A Theory of Justice, introduced the original position and the veil of ignorance, a thought experiment where individuals choose the principles of justice without knowledge of their place in society. Rawls argues that under these conditions, people would unanimously agree on two principles: equal basic liberties for all and fair equality of opportunity, ensuring that any social or economic inequalities are arranged to benefit the least advantaged. Yet, as with all philosophical doctrines, Rawls's theory of justice is not without its critics. Skeptics question the practicality of the original position and the veil of ignorance, arguing these concepts are too abstract to form a basis for real-world justice. Furthermore, the balance Rawls strikes between liberty and equality has sparked intense debate among scholars. In response to these critiques, contemporary thinkers like Amartya Sen and Martha Nussbaum have advocated for the capabilities approach, focusing on what individuals are able to do and to be, rather than what they merely have. Meanwhile, figures like Robert Nozick have championed a libertarian view, emphasizing minimal state interference and maximal individual freedom. As our exploration concludes, it becomes evident that the theory of justice is not a static entity, but a living, breathing dialogue that continues to shape and be shaped by society. The quest for a just society is an ongoing journey, one that challenges each generation to redefine equity and fairness in the light of contemporary issues and insights. The impact of these philosophical explorations on modern society cannot be understated. They influence laws, govern international relations, and mold individual moral judgments, proving that the pursuit of justice, though ancient, is as vital today as ever.